Hello, here is our booth of the 138th Ultimate Canton Fair. And this year we have taken a lot of new items. Some new items are very popular. Let's come and have a look.
China with deco. It's newborn China with embossed design.
While producing this plate, 3D process printing is used. This plate is coated with reactive color glaze. This plate has a unique shape. It's hand-painted, and those flowers are embossed.
Newborn China deco with embossed and golden ring. This is the stoneware reactive glazed with embossed. This is the porcelain with 4 colors hand printing. This is the newborn China with the golden ring. This is a very popular shape.
It's stoneware with hand painting. It's color glaze design with spray.